Alright, so James got his haircut, I got my haircut. James is going fishing with Ween.
Cheese.
Hi, baby.
Cheese.
Oh yeah? What do you got in your hand? What do you got? My beautiful little girl. Oh, I love you.
Pizza.
Yeah? What are you doing? Shh. Hi. Hi, baby. Do you have fun walking around at the haircutter place? And then walking around outside with Papa and Mama? You want to go? You could go. Whoa!
Go.
Go!
Go.
Go! Say hi, Squish. Hey, Squish. So we did though. James got home. We went down to the haircut place, and I took Karina down to the dollar store. And then when it was James' turn to watch her, he took a walk with her. Here's now. There's this one. So yay! James got his haircut. He looks pretty good with his haircut. He's starting to lose some weight. So he wants to get smaller pants. I need to find him smaller pants eventually. So yay! And I guess that's it for my update. We were supposed to be going to the party in the park tonight, but we're not going to go because Karina was cranky in the thing, but James isn't home. It was 7:24 and it only lasts until 8 o'clock, so I'd be down there for like 30 minutes.
Yeah.
You want to go to the park? You want to go to the park? We can go for a little bit. We're going to go to the park.